Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, your host on Car Blog India, and we are here at MG India showroom checking out the Shield Plus initiative that MG Motors India has taken. It includes essentially three things, which is the enhanced safety and sanitization, doorstep delivery to customers, and the third thing is the V-Fi or the virtual demonstration of the car using the QR codes where no human intervention is needed. So the customer can come and take this demonstration in virtually no contact way. So it is absolutely safe. Post COVID, this is the new normal and things have changed. So I'm going to demonstrate all of that. So stay tuned and make sure you watch it till the end. Let's start with this video.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good, sir. I'm Manisha. So you're coming first time in the showroom?
Yes, I'm here to explore some cars.
You can wear the gloves.
Yes, I'll use that.
Okay, and you can use the sanitizer. Sir, Gaurav, you will approach.
Namaskar, sir.
Hello,
Gaurav
Gaurav.
this side. Sir, have you sanitized your hands and have taken the gloves and mask?
Yes.
Yes, sir. So, sir, would you like to take the demonstration of the car with me, or would you like to self-demonstrate the car yourself?
For safety reasons, I think I would check it out myself.
Okay, sir. So we have MG V5 technology. It's the first of the kind technology in the industry, in which we offer you to do the self demonstration of the car. In this technology, you just need your mobile phone, and you can turn on the camera of your mobile phone. And if you will scan the QR code, you will have an audio technology we have, through which they'll guide you the each and every feature of the car for the self demonstration.
All right. Thank you.
Thank
I'll
you.
check it out
Welcome,
myself.
sir. Thank you, sir.
The future of mobility won't be around cars that can fly, but about the ones that are smarter, cleaner, and connected. Like the new Hector from MG. Get ready now to experience the future of motoring today. Buckle up. Hi, my name is Ritika. I will take you on a virtual tour of what could, or may I say, should be your next SUV. Every time you park the Hector and start to move away, you will stop, take a pause, and look back at it. That's the magnetism of this car. Look at the front grille and seek an honest answer from your heart. Is there any other car that has such boldness and charisma? I know the answer.
It is quite innovative and interesting to get a demo of a car in an interactive way like this. These QR codes on the different parts of the car demonstrate different features depending on the interiors, exteriors, and where they are placed.
Welcome inside. The new MG Hector. I'm sure you noticed the stylish chrome door handles and the smart entry. Take your position at the driver's seat and you start to feel at complete ease, as if you're on that favorite couch of yours in the living room. Access the 6-way powered driver seat controls on the bottom.
The car seat, steering, as well as the gear knob, all the usual surfaces where we touch a car are now covered with plastics, and these plastics are changed regularly by the staff after every demonstration. All other surfaces like the door handle etc. are cleaned and the car is fumigated after these demonstrations. Now let me tell you about the doorstep delivery services being offered by MG as a part of their Shield Plus initiative. Ma'am, I have experienced the MG Hector. I wanted to ask, if I don't want to come to the showroom, what are the services that I can get at home?
So we have a package named MG Care at Home. So under that we have 3 services available. So if you want a test drive at your place, we can get the test drive done with all the sanitization. We have used the technology MedClean. And also if you want to take the delivery at your place, we'll get the vehicle sanitized, and after that you can take the delivery of the vehicle. And if you want the after sales at your doorstep, so we can get the basic service done at your place, and also the if you want pick and drop service, so that can also be done.
Alright, thank you.
Welcome.
During this time, MG India is taking utmost care of sanitization as well as safety of the customers as well as the staff. While you enter the showroom, whether the customer or the staff, they all go through thermal screening. They are offered masks, hand sanitizers at the entry of the showroom, so that even if the customer comes without a mask, they are offered mask and gloves at the entry. They have the option to use the Wi-Fi and check out the car themselves with contactless technology. And even if the customer does not want to get into the showroom, they have the option of availing the doorstep services, where they are given car a demonstration at home, and the test drives are also provided at the doorstep of the customer if required. The service of the car as well as the repair work, the pick and drop, and the car can be delivered at home and picked up from the home depending on the customer need, and it can be scheduled using the MG app as well as MG official website by the customer. So this was our tour of the MG India showroom after the new normal during the COVID times. This is how they are taking care of their customers under the Shield Plus initiatives of MG. We hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, give us a thumbs up by pressing the like button, share this video with your friends, and stay tuned for latest updates from us. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.